My pretty little biscuit, you are my best friend. Together, we are so beautifully imaginative and tenderly sentimental. You fully accept me with all my flaws, not recognizing them as imperfections. I feel like I can conquer any task or recover from any stumble solely because you are with me. You are the most magical woman I've ever met. I'm so proud of your virtues and everything you put your mind to accomplish. You were made for me and I for you. You've given me the greatest gift, yourself. The anticipation of the church doors opening today will be so palpable. My heart will be beating out of my chest, gazing at your beautiful, glowing self strolling down the aisle. Patrick.
Patrick, I can't believe it's finally here, and I'm the woman you chose as your forever. 4.5 years ago, for me, it was love at first sight, and I knew I had to make you mine. I fell deeper and deeper in love with you because of who you are, and who you are is an incredibly caring, deeply thoughtful, smart, quick-witted, considerate, and incredible man in every single way. We could have met in so many different scenarios at so many different moments, but fate had different plans for us, and we met at the perfect opportunity. I vow to help you love life, to always hold you with tenderness, to speak when words are needed, and to share the silence when they are not. I promise to never forget that this is a once-in-a-lifetime love. Because I do not stand here on our wedding day optimistic or full of hope. I am sure, I am steady, and I know you are my partner, my lover, my very best friend. And on this day, the day of our wedding, I promise you to lay my heart in the palm of your hand. I promise you me till death. I love you now. I love you always.
need is love. It's not money, it's love. I'm telling you, it's love. So welcome here to what a fabulous, fabulous, fabulous group of people. I'm so glad that Naomi and Patrick finally got married. And I know they love each other. And I love you all for coming here and honoring them. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Today we come here to listen to a couple tell us a part of their story, how they have met and how they have journeyed together, how they have grown in relationship and in love. That says to each and every one of us that they do believe in each other and that they want to work at it.
Patrick, receive this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity. In the name of the Father,
And of the Son,
and of the Son,
and of the Holy Spirit.
and of the Holy Spirit.
Okay, this one.
Naomi and Pat complement each other perfectly. Naomi is the big picture, Pat's the details. Pat's humble, considerate, genuine, and kind. Naomi is beautiful, unpredictable, and a hilarious social butterfly, making every single day an adventure. So while they both knew early on in the relationship they will cherish that year abroad, they will look forward to their future travels and adventures, including the adventure that begins today, where they will soon call each other man and wife.
I promise to be faithful to you
In good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health,
to love you
to love you
and to honor you
and to honor you
all the days of my life.